Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or FI Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and today I'm going to be talking about Green Mountain Coffee and Roaster, GMCR. GMCR is having a pretty awful day on the session. It is continuing to fall. I don't anticipate this trend to change anytime soon. The economics behind the business model was really limited to begin with. I mean, selling coffee machines could only reach so much of a market saturation point. And, product differentiation by creating different forms of a coffee roaster or a coffee machine is only going to take you so far. Now, because the company was trading at such a high price to earnings multiple and guidance came out that was going to be pretty weak, again, it's just really no surprise here that GMCR stock has fallen by so much. And, I don't anticipate this trend to revert itself anytime soon, especially because the market sentiment, or the stock market in general, is performing awfully. But what really happens is that these weaker companies, the weaker players, are really sold first, and they're sold substantially harder. So if anything, I wouldn't be surprised if the stock ends up falling maybe even all the way down to the $10 area. Maybe back to wherever it started. Is it really justified? Probably not. I mean, maybe the PE multiples are extremely reasonable right now. But it doesn't change the fact that people are afraid of losing money inside of this company. And that's the main reason why this stock will most likely continue this downward trend. So, that does it for me for today, guys. I anticipate GMCR to continue to fall. Their tangible book value really isn't that good. Their assets, that's not really helping. It's not really attracting the value investors. The PE multiple is reasonable, but when people buy a stock, they anticipate the company to grow, not necessarily become cheap enough. Okay, so again, this is a really tough position to be in when trading GMCR, and if anything, it would just be a wise decision to walk away from the stock, or at least touch it with a 50-foot long pole, rather than trying to trade it, rather than trying to put up with the volatility and trying to buy it. There's no value investors inside of this. There's no growth investors. So you really don't have any allies in this trade setup, aside from people who are, well, gamblers. And trust me, you don't want to be trading with gamblers because, at the sign of some slight mishap, or if the stock just suddenly starts to sell, well, you've basically lost a lot of money by trying to go long the stock. So again, there's no reason to be buying the stock. And if anything, it is definitely one of those weaker equities where it's easy to jump on, sit back for a couple of weeks, and know for a fact that perhaps the stock is probably going to fall another 5-15% right on its face. Anyway, take care, folks. You have a wonderful day.